I'm today in front of me XIAOMI 11T and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and here on the search pool tab the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just go here to the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And next can you see our battery health is good. In the different forms we got here this information. Also you can just see here the temperature of your phone, the model, the Android version, and more and other information. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.